Do you want to be a happy camper? Yes, you do. Of course you do. I want you to be a happy camper in case you're my neighbor. Now, for the faint of heart and eyes, you might want to turn away and be happy that I only do this out in the wilderness when I think nobody's around, okay? What the brap is up, you little brapsters? Cody with Two Wheels in a Tent, bringing you another Meals for Two Wheels. I'm getting a little bit of flack for not being on the trail making these videos, but you can see behind me the snow. So today, we're gonna do a southern recipe, tacos on the trail, try and warm up. So I'm sick of this snow. I could be riding and camping up in these beautiful mountains that you can probably see back there. Anyway, we're gonna get into it right now. So you're gonna need some ground beef, some taco seasoning. As you can see, I have a couple spoonfuls there, a tortilla, a cheese stick, some Doritos, and some rice. It should be Mexican rice, but my store was out of that. And the meat should be dehydrated meat, but the store was out of that as well. So you're gonna have to use your imagination or leave some mean old comments down below so I can laugh. About a half pound of burger. Here we have Spanish rice from Knorr. Yeah, I know, it's supposed to be Mexican rice. They were out, Gage. I'm sorry. So I'm using about half of this pack. Then we got a little sandwich bag of Doritos. We're gonna do the famous karate chop. Ninja. Now, to be fair, this is not my recipe. Found this online. It's pretty funny because while he was making it, he did the taco dance. I will not be doing no taco dance for you. It's for your own good. Tortilla. We need some boiling water. Be right back. All right, while we're waiting for it to boil, we'll check out this footage from last year about this time when we were on the way to Mexican Hat to meet some friends, Tim and Bob. On our way to Mexican Hat to do a dance on the bike. I'm gonna put the rice and burger in the same bag. Also, I put out a video on tuna casserole on the trail. It's delicious, and that's what it was called, tuna casserole. I've had quite the backlash, like a mutiny in the house and online. So, coming up soon, there'll be a revision, additional video, the surrender with the white flag, if you will. Just made my own koozie today. We're gonna try it out, see how it is. Because I got tired of running out of fuel on the trail. This way you can boil the water, put it in the freezer bag, and slide it in here and let it cook. It takes about twice as long, but you only have to boil the water. You don't have to sit there and simmer it, boil it, burn the food to your pans, etc. Stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to show you a little trick to make camping feel more like home. If you like coffee, I'm going to show you how to get it on the trail. Looks like water is done. Here we go. Just a little over a cup of water. Mix that up. Then we're going to try our new koozie. Make sure the freezer bag is sealed. Fold that over. Fold that over, and we're gonna give it about 10 minutes or so. All right, we're gonna try this out. First time I've tried it. To be fair, the salsa I'm using is from my house. It is recommended you pick up some hot sauce from Taco Bell in the little packets. I didn't have time to do that today, so salsa it is. Full disclosure, peoples. String cheese. I'm going to string it out so hopefully it'll melt a little better. Smells delicious. Okay, now it's Taco Bell sauce, right? Wink, wink, nod, nod. Even a Maverick salsa packet would work. And let's not forget the Doritos. Might have put a little too much on there. Oopsie. Oh yeah. That is pretty darn good. You might want to put a little bit less in your tortilla. I'm making a mess, but this is delicious. 4.5 to 5 stars. As promised, I'm going to show you how to have awesome espresso / coffee on the trail. This thing is the coolest thing that I got all year last year, and I bought totally new gear all throughout the year. So this is the winner. Check this thing out. If you like it, you want to pick one up, please just go ahead and use the link below. It just helps the channel. It doesn't cost you anything else extra. So this is the WACACO NANOPRESSO. This is the large with the barista kit. Everything you need to make the coffee minus the hot water is right here. There's your cup. There's your water tank. Your coffee measurer. Inside here, that's what pressurizes it. Just fill that with your grounds. Goes inside here like that. This goes on top. Screw that bad boy on there. Take your water tank, fill it to the fill line. Carefully twist that baby on. I like to use sugar in there, but you do what you want. Yeah, I know, sugar addict. That's why I don't have any teeth. Turn that baby upside down, twist this out. Stir it up. I don't know if you can see, there is crema on top. Man, I love this. I make it at home, not just on the trail, every day. This is my coffee maker. Love this thing. Not only is it good, but it's a fun little ritual as well. Pretty lightweight, doesn't take up very much space. You want to be a happy camper? Use the link below. Pick one of these WACACO NANOPRESSOs up. Change your life. That's right. It'll change their life. You got it, bitch. That's right. Totally. Totally. Dumb. Use the link, get one. That's right. Cheers. For every couple of these that you use the links and buy, gives me enough gas to probably go on a 2-day adventure with my buddies and motorcycle camping, which makes me dance like this. I'll leave a link below to the video where I found this recipe. It's pretty funny, check it out. And definitely I'm liking this one. Be a great meal on the trail. So as always, stay safe and come join the adventure, baby.